everybody, welcome to Bring a Plate's online dance tutorials. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Erika. And today we're going to be learning some choreography to ESG, which is the name of the band, all capitals. And the song is called Dance.
To check out the full choreography, check the description below, click on the link, open up the video, give it a watch, and keep it alongside.
Because we're going to learn this in 3 parts. So at the end of each part, you can flick back to that video and give it a go with the music.
Make sure that you're properly warmed up because we're going to be moving and we need you to listen to your body.
And take things at your own pace. So let's get started.
Let's go.
Okay, so part 1. First thing we're going to do, let's just take our hands up onto our hips like this, wrists pointing backwards, and we're trying, our chest is going in, okay, like someone's pushed you. Now we face the side for this, so we're going to take a step, we're going to go boom, boom, look to the front, and boom, boom, look to the front. Now we're going to go back, boom, and look, 1, 2, look, nice.
For the next part, we are going to cross our hands one above the other. Don't worry about left and right. Just one above the other. And as we're going, we're turning towards the front, we're going to use our knees to kind of, and it's in the same tempo as the chicken dance at the beginning. So we're going da, 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 da. And then following that, we're going with our right to the side, our left to the side. We're going to wiggle our whole body up. And that's the end of part 1.
So let's try that from the top. We're here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back and 1, 2, 3. Wait, 4. 1, 2, 3, and
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ba, ba. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
nice. All right, it's part 2 time. So we're going to start with our arms in the air. We'll just do the arms first and then the legs. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, faster, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice and stretched, yeah? Now with our feet, we're going to step it out. So depending on how much room, you can go a long way that way or you can do it on the spot. We'll do it small because we don't have a lot of space. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, faster, 5, 6, 7, 8. We step out and we take it all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4. That can be big or small. This is big. 1, 2, 3, 4. We grab 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, a little bit or a lot of body. Up to you. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And the next bit, she talks about wiggling her hips and moving around to the ground. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then around 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. We're going to look to the ground on 1.
All right.
That's the end of part 2.
Part 2, but let's go from the top, put it all together. So 5, 6, arms in the air, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, faster, 5, 6, 7, 8, step out, 1, 2, 3, 4, grab 5, 6, 7, 8,
1, 2, 3, 4, around 2, 3, 4,
and
1.
Nice.
All right, this is section number 3. So we were on the ground,
or as far down as you feel comfortable. So that might be here or here, but looking down, and we're hitting on the 1.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on 5 we're coming up slowly and we're really feeling it, feeling ourselves all the way up, and we're putting our hands up to the front here. And the lyric is dance, right? Yeah. Dance. And then from there we're waiting again, the same count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We're just wiggling our tush to the right. And then again, the lyric is dance, except it's crescendoing out, and we are just being dramatic, full 8 counts down. We're keeping our hands like this, behind our tush.
These become our bird tail feathers. We're shaking these as well as our booty. We take it around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We drop 1, up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands 1, and that's on dance. Again, we wait 2, 3, 4. Hips 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, opening but coming around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherever you want. 5, 6, 7, 8. Into a fun little freestyle. There's some little echoes, some little woo, so you can play around with those. So let's try it from the very beginning of part 3. So over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, drama, 5, 6, 7, 8, shake, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hands 1, wait 2, 3, 4, hips 5, 6, 7, 8, and open 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, party time, and then freestyle. Alright, from the very top, let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, back, and 1, 2, 3, wait 4, 5, 6, 7, wait 8, and
2, 3, wait. Right, left. Wait.
And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wiggle your hips and around, and down.
1, 2, 3, 4. Up 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Drama. So much drama.
5, 6, 7, 8. Shake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go down, up, down, up, down, up. 7, 8. Hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And open 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And freestyle. Alright, thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you had fun. We hope you got sweaty.
Take a video of yourself doing this routine. Just go through it a few more times, maybe, on that link in the description below. And yeah,
Tag
post
us.
it on social media.
Yeah, bring a
tag
plate
us,
dance.
or just send it through. We want to see your take on this routine.
See you next time.